India Radio Regulatory Service Group A. MSc degree or its equivalent with wireless communication, electronics, radio physics or radio engineering as a subject, or master degree in science with physics and radio communication or electronics or telecommunication as a special subject. Application fees: UR/OBC 200, female candidate, ST/SC candidate persons with benchmark, and disability candidates are nil. Payment mode: Visa Master Rupee credit debit card or by using internet banking of SBI. How to apply? Scroll down and click important website link on this video description. Click online application form. Properly fill up the form and submit the final submission.